Hello English learner, welcome back to British Express once again, and today I'm gonna teach you some important and advanced phrases. I think you all are comfortable with basic English, right? So today I'm gonna teach you some advanced phrases that will make your speech more effective, more fluent and more advanced. So start from the first one. The first one would be go down the drain. So go down the drain we can use for a Hindi or a kind of situation जिसमें हम बोलते हैं कि ये कढ़ाई पे पानी फेरना. Like you go down the drain my plants. Like तुमने मेरे plants पे like किए कराए plants पर पानी फेर दिया. The second is I had a hunch. I had a hunch we can use for a situation जिसमें हम बोलते हैं मुझे लगा ही था, like मुझे doubt था. Hunch means a kind of dubious situation. For example, मुझे लगा ही था कि वो झूठ बोल रहा था. I had a hunch he was lying. Or I had a hunch he lied to me. Next is cakewalk. Cakewalk we can use for easy. Like ये जो work है ये मेरे बाएं हाथ का खेल है, या ये जो work है ये मेरे लिए बहुत easy है. So this work is cakewalk for me. The next one would be up to no good. Up to no good we can use for not having good intention towards something. For example, इरादे सही ना होना. Like he was up to no good for property. उसकी property को लेकर इरादे सही नहीं थे. Next is don't get enough. Don't get enough we can use for a Hindi जिसमें हम बोलते हैं कि हमारा किसी चीज़ से मन नहीं भरता. For example, मेरा चाय से मन नहीं भरता. I don't get enough of tea. मेरा कॉफ़ी से मन नहीं भरता. I don't get enough of coffee. Next is little did I know. So little did I know we can use for a situation where we are completely unaware of something. Like हमें बिल्कुल भी अंदाज़ा नहीं होता. So for that Hindi कि मुझे बिल्कुल ही नहीं पता था या मुझे क्या पता था, उसके लिए we use little did I know. The next is if this goes on. If this goes on we can use for a Hindi जिसमें हम बोलते हैं अगर ऐसा ही चलता रहा तो. Like if this goes on, I will not go to office. अगर ऐसा ही चलता रहा तो मैं ऑफिस नहीं जाऊंगी. The next is craving for. So there are two types of Hindi जिसमें हम सेम चीज़ों के बारे में बात करते हैं लेकिन उनका पर्पस अलग अलग होता है. तो there is a Hindi called मन कर रहा है. तो जब भी हमारा कुछ खाने के लिए मन करता है, if you want to eat something, in that case we use craving for. For example, I'm craving for having momo. मेरा मोमो खाने का मन कर रहा है. I'm craving for pizza. मेरा पिज़्ज़ा का मन कर रहा है. अब अगर आपका मन किसी और चीज़ के लिए कर रहा है, like apart from food adjectives or food or dishes like that, तो उस केस में हम यूज़ करते हैं I am feeling or I am not feeling to have. For example, मेरा घूमने का मन कर रहा है. So I'm feeling to go out or I'm feeling to roam or to explore or to wander. Anything we can use. The next is, and the last one is rough patch. So rough patch we can use for कठिन दौर, difficult time. For example, वो time मेरे लिए बहुत difficult था. That time was rough patch for me. Thank you and follow for more.